earthquake with a magnitude of 6.0 on the Richter scale occurred in the Batan archipelago of the Philippines on April 11, 2020 at 0:44 local time. The epicenter was 174 kilometers in depth and 310 kilometers southeast of Kaohsiung of the Republic of China. The European Mediterramean Seismological Centre (EMSC) reports that the epicenter was at coordinates 20.42 U and 122.17 T. This earthquake did not trigger a tsunami. Until this news was released, there were no reports from the public about the damage caused by this earthquake.